Are you tired of overspending and not having a clear understanding of your expenses? Look no further than the Budget Tracker app. With our user-friendly interface and customizable tools, you can easily track your spending and start saving money today. Setting up your budget tracker is a breeze. Simply input your income and the categories you want to track your expenses for, such as groceries or entertainment. Our app will even provide recommended budget percentages for each category. Recording your expenses is easy with the Budget Tracker app. Just input the cost, date, and category of the expense. You can even attach a photo of the receipt for added convenience. Want to see where your money is going? The Budget Tracker app provides detailed breakdowns of your spending habits with easy-to-read charts and graphs. You'll have a clear understanding of where you can cut back and save money. With the Budget Tracker app, you'll be on your way to reaching your savings goals in no time. Our app provides personalized recommendations and alerts to keep you on track and motivated.